Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a scene of an intense boxing match. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4-A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills. For today's artistry trivia, which Indian boxer is known as Magnificent Mary and has won multiple world championship titles? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's capture aggressive boxing match scene. Let us first start with our character who is punching. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. One arm in front stretched out to punch while resting his weight on the left leg. The right leg is stretched out to maintain balance, while the left hand is close to the body. Next, let us draw the second character. Our second character is leaning back from the impact of the punch. Now add the details like shorts and gloves and shoes like we did. Also try and draw the expression aggressive, as this sport is full of aggression. Now let us draw the referee standing in the back, so keep in mind his proportions. As he is in the back, he will appear smaller than our boxers. Draw his costume and expression likewise. Detailing is a very important part, so take your time, pause the video and draw along. Now let us begin with the background, which is a boxing ring. Draw the background accordingly in perspective so that our characters get more solid ground. Always remember, as the object or subject goes far in the background, they will appear smaller in size, so imply that in all your sketches. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch. And now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, an intense boxing match. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Mary Kom, also known as Magnificent Mary, is a celebrated Indian boxer who has won 6 world championship titles. She is the first Indian female boxer to win a gold medal at the Commonwealth Games and has also secured a bronze medal at the 2012 London Olympics. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Want to enhance your skills more? Then don't forget to check our website CSMC Training to get advanced training. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.